All right, let's ride, outlaws. What's up? This is Bree here from Ghostwriter Intuition. I'll be your judge, jury, and executioner here, and president of the Motorcycle Club. Welcome new viewers, welcome returning viewers, and definitely hit the like button and subscribe button while you're coming in. And you know, just stick around and you know, see how we do things here. So, yeah. I'm super excited, y'all, because we got some new decks to work with in our readings today. And then, yeah, let's just get into it. Because, like, for the last couple days, there's, like, a certain meme that's been, like, coming through to me. And I don't even know the context. I think it's, like, some MMA fighter or something. And he is just, I bet you he paid for it. I bet you he paid for it. So I'm gonna just
for it. I guarantee he paid for it. I guarantee he paid for it. I guarantee it.
Calm down. Calm down, brother.
Come to the fight. Come to the fight.
They probably gonna get you fucked up.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, the song playlist that we've got for this reading today is gonna be I'm Not a Vampire by Fallen in Reverse, Gimme More by Brittney Spears, Arma-godd damn motherfucking Geddon by Marilyn Manson, Icy Grl by Saweetie and Kehlani, Grave Hop 187 by Zilakami, and Safari by Jidenna. And we'll get into the lyric pull. Well, I'm not a zombie, but I feel like one today. Self-induced, comatose, chemical days. My head is always spinning from this dizzy, blurry vision, and my stomach has had enough. I feel like a lady that is pregnant with a baby because I'm always throwing up. Hi, my name is Ronnie. I'm an addict. Hi, Ronnie. Daddy should have never raised me on Black Sabbath. I'm insane. Well, I can feel it in my bones, coursing through my veins. When did I become so cold? For goodness sakes, where is my self-control? If home is where the heart is, then my heart has lost all hope. God bless all of you now, because I'm going straight to hell, and I'm taking you down with me because you know damn well. A center of attention, do you feel that? Even when we're up against the wall, you've got me in a crazy position. If you're in a mission, you've got my permission. We can get down like there's no one around. We keep on rocking, we keep on rocking, rocking. Cameras are flashing while we're dirty dancing. They keep watching, Feels like the crowd is saying, gimme, gimme more, gimme more, gimme, gimme more. I got a black eye of a soul, morals in a hole, wish I was still dead, but the CV said it's a tropical depression, pointless intervention, legal separation, call my dealer or my lawyer, we've got a situation. First you try to fuck it, then you try to eat it. If it hasn't learned your name, you better kill it before they see it. First you try to fuck it, then you try to eat it. If it hasn't learned your name, you better kill it before they see it. It's Arma-godd damn motherfucking Geddon, fuck. Eat, kill, now do it again. It's Arma-godd damn motherfucking Geddon. Fuck, eat, kill, etc. Is it the news or is it the news? Results may vary, side effects are very Arma-godd damn motherfucking Geddon. Hey, that's that shit. Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one to get RIP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. Very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie when I'm popping. I've been working, stack one up, check my price, then I tax. My education and my fashion gonna cost a couple racks. Nah, I don't need a sugar daddy, they call me when they need stacks. You see, I went to USC and got my college degree. That means I'm smarter than these niggas, can't get over on me. And then I went into Miami, saw some new property, put a down payment on a condo with a view of South Beach. Man, the devils try to break me, the devils try to play me. I could have got here quicker if I let the devil slip me, but my prayers went up and my blessings came down. Thank God every day that your girl above ground. And that's how a hot girl do it. Keep her head up even when she going through it. My crown might slip, but it never ever falls. If a nigga ever need me, they know I am who to call. We gon' duck, hey, you little fuck face, kill you first, take you little fuck face, grave hop, grave hop, grave hop. I believe that you niggas is my seed, that's a real fact. Leave it for a trigger, hit delete, that's a real fact. Mouse in a mouse trap, bear in a bear trap. Running, you can't hear that. Snap in the welcome mat, spray with the Ajax City, make the K clap. Morgue, do not play that. Had to catch a stray rat, y'all niggas bluffing, ain't banging, all you niggas playing. Bitch, I'm dangerous, I threw skulls and I changed up. Scarred hands in my wrist, scarred hands on my click. 30 mag max fit, infrared beam, bitch, I'm cold, done, dead. Hit the fire to your head, hit the fire to your chest, it's on a bulletproof vest. We all on a totem pole, some are high and some are low. In their soul, Lord, let me know, is there something I should know? Let me know. Shit's getting weird now, going down the rabbit hole. Feel a little whisper of, see the animal in your soul. And we sound like hyenas. Anybody see my phone? Feel better here with Sheena. I'm gonna keep her close. Bookmarks all up in Safari. They don't want me going too far. Bookmarks all up in Safari. Cause my old John's trying to keep tabs on me. Yeah, my old John's trying to keep tabs on me. Don't worry about the cost cause the tab's on me. Shots for the tribe cause the tabs are on me. Even the feds want a shot keeping tabs on me. It's getting wild, Safari. Yeah, the shit getting wild, Safari. And we blowing on loud, Safari. Cause the shit's getting wild, Safari. I was out there in Safari living. I was out there acting naughty, sinning, giving you an L as a hobby, winning. So straight up after kind of analyzing the songs and the lyrics, I was initially getting hits of something about a revenge porn video or something like that. And also something about January 1987 is significant here. So this may be it's definitely something from the past coming up again. I'm picking up blackmail heavily. So let's get into y'all, do you like my hair? I decided to figure out and see how long my a silk press would last in Vietnam with the heat and the humidity. So this is my first attempt. I didn't put any heat protectant or frizz repellent or anything like that. So we'll just see. I had to get cute for y'all today. Well, hold on, let me start off with my prayer again before we get into pulling cards. I call upon the Most High, my ancestors, angels, demons, spirits, and guides. Please be with me here and now. Protect me as I channel and use me as a mouthpiece for the divine to deliver messages for the highest good, clarity, and accuracy. Dispel the veil of falseness and allow me to see that which needs to be seen. Reveal all that is hidden and let it be known for the highest good of all. Ashe. Okay, now we can get into this reading. Clear the energy. I clear the energy. Okay. Gonna start with some oracle. So, yeah, there's something about a revenge porn video with a guilty conscience here. It may not even be something that was necessarily filmed by the person in question, but it's like something that was found. It could potentially be like a CP video. That's being held against somebody with all that glitters being it's a fake, so that kind of ties into that like gimme more. Somebody was lured in by something that looks nice, but in reality it was set to cut them down like a honey trap. What else? What else? something about like a ritual gone wrong. So I don't condone it, but I am aware that people do tend to use children as a conduit for those types of rituals. So I'm definitely feeling that it has something to do with that. And it backfired because it got exposed, as it should, because that shit's fucking disgusting. Okay, but what did the individual that's holding this video over this individual's head want? In reality, what did they want? What did this individual want? Skull of light with illumination. So yeah, there's definitely exposure here. Scrying, intuition. Yeah, so somebody used a child in an attempt to deepen their psychic gifts. With skeleton strength. So winter, didn't I say January of 1987 was significant too? We got winter at the bottom of the deck with the sacredness of pausing, and at the head of the deck we've got zombie with control. So, and then if you look at all of these cards, there's definitely a lot of like skulls and bones and things like this. So I'm picking up on like a distorted like Gede ritual, if anyone is like familiar with like voodoo. So there may have actually even been like a snuff film involved. This deck is brand fucking new, so I'm gonna have to shuffle the shit out of this, y'all. Sorry, I normally do this before. Yeah, but it's like kind of going back to that Marilyn Manson song. It's like, you know, first you try to fuck it, then you try to eat it. If it hasn't learned your name, you better kill it before they see it. So this could have something to do with like the Epstein files and like that kind of energy. I am not wanting to get into this today, but here we are. This is the mission today. Okay. Santa Muerte. Please illuminate what needs to be seen here and what needs to be understood. So like, I'm picking up on like a pair of siblings, perhaps, and one sibling is getting revenge for the sacrificial use of their own sibling in a ritual. By luring in the predator and exposing them, something about like a video leak to get it into the hands of authorities and to distort the perception of this individual. with the Eight of Swords here, it's like now the perpetrator is falling out of favor with their with the deity they sacrificed to. It may not necessarily be a Gede, but definitely the energy of death here. There's something here about broken teeth as well, or like teeth falling out. I know that when teeth fall out in dreams, it's normally an impending sign of attack or like a loss of power of some sort here. Okay, what else on this Santa Muerte? What else on this Nafisa? We've got the Three of Swords. So it's like this individual was lured in, the victim was lured in and then stabbed in the back by a friend, somebody who wore the guise of a friend at least. I'm seeing something about, like, I don't know if you can really see, but it looks like he's almost wearing like a pair of like spade-shaped sunglasses. Seven of Swords, Queen of Swords. Yeah, this person thought they were gonna take this betrayal to the grave here with Seven of Swords. But with the Queen of Swords, there's like an exposure as illusions are cut away. Yeah, this was originally done in the name of money and attempting to climb some sort of corporate ladder status with the Four of Wands here to bring stability. This is like siphoning off of the gifts of a child through CSA in order to, yeah, with the Devil here, in order to push the abundance of someone else. Someone may have a store. These cards are falling on the floor today. The Page of Wands in reverse and the Tower. This was done for inspiration. And with the tower here, yeah, breakthrough was made. A large company was founded off of the death of this child. Like the death of a starseed here. With the Five of Pentacles here, that's all coming to a crumbling, like it's all crumbling down though, because as these victims' ghosts are coming forward to speak, people are now turning away from this leader of this company. I'm getting with the Magician here, followed by the Two of Pentacles in reverse. People are no longer wanting to work with this individual. Because they're now being viewed as unbalanced and as a black magician whose hands are stained with blood. And to be clear, not all black magic is necessarily evil, but this shit is fucking heinous. Two of Swords and the Eight of Cups. Yeah, that's kind of just confirming what I just said. Like, people are cutting ties and guarding themselves against this individual now. Got the Manara Tarot. I can't show y'all this one. This one's a little spicy in like a dark way. So I think this is the perfect deck to use. If I can stop throwing my cards around, that would be fucking fantastic today. Let's see. What fell out though? Temperance, the Devil. The World. And the Knave of Earth. Knave of Earth, Knave of Water, and the Eight of Earth. So someone was possessed, and I'm seeing a kidnapping, something about a bayou, or like maybe even like a forest, like a swamp. Something about an addict as well. Like, I know she's snake charming in this card technically, but I see this more as somebody ripping a bong. It's like somebody sent a spirit to this person who is kidnapped so that they would be portrayed as an addict. But really what it was is that they were a part of a bigger machine here. of like sexploitation, surveillance as people fed off of their sacral energy. Yeah, there's something about like, I'm gonna try my best to sort of, you know, cover this up here, but he's spanking her. So like something about like siphoning off of like the pain and the pleasure here in a non-consensual encounter. Something about a dark-haired male here with the King of Water being significant, because he's also featured here in the Knave of Water. So like someone who looks sweet but is not. We have the Knight of Air in reverse here. She kind of gives me a missing native woman vibe. With 1987 being significant here. Oh yeah, and missing natives is definitely significant here with the Four of Cups, because look in the background, there's like a native guy in the back. So yeah, I'm picking up to kind of dial it all back, because I know it's been a little disjointed. We'll sum it up as basically in 1987 there was a dark male that abducted a missing native woman and used her in a group ritual. Y'all, that shit was so crazy. So I just paid for more storage on my fucking iPhone, but all of a sudden it wants to be like, oh, your storage is full in the middle of my reading. But anyways, like I was saying, getting back into it, basically what it's giving is that in 1987, there was a Native American woman or a group of them that was abducted by a dark-haired male and used in a group X ritual, tortured, raped, and it's looking like murdered or unalived. Sorry, I hate this like fucking censorship of YouTube. So the victims are now coming through, and telling their story. Maybe taking hosts and getting revenge. Celtic has come out, so that dark-haired male may be of Celtic descent. With transportation here, something about the trains being the mode of transportation to smuggle these women across state lines to a high priest or high priestess, monk or a nun. So yeah, I'm picking up on oh, with that Celtic and a high priest or high priestess, this is somebody who positioned themselves as a follower of Maman Brigitte, perhaps. Come on, man, that shit almost slid under the stairs. With health. This was done to conceive a baby. Oh, in the attempts to restore health and conceive a child on behalf of the perpetrators here. Ugh. Ugh. Ew. I don't want to be in this energy anymore, so let's get shamanic healing Merkle. That's gross. What else about this? How is this energy being transmuted currently by the victim stepping forward? So the Great Mother is here to transform this situation, as I'm seeing these victims' bodies being exhumed from like a mass grave. With retreat, integration, and home. Yeah, they're being excavated because somebody was kind of tilling the grave site to make room for a new house. And it's been exhumed here. That's so like creating the space for this home is actually what released these spirits to expose this. With the labyrinth here, it's definitely giving like underworld energy, and with the sun exposure. The numbers 44, 22, and 33 are significant. I'm also seeing 40, 17, and yeah. So this goes back into kind of like what I was saying earlier about teeth. So like these victims are being identified through teeth. Okay, so how does this tie into now? How does this tie into now? Let's see. How is this energy playing out in the present day? How is this affecting the present day? How is this affecting present day? So the magic that has bound these victims is being broken, and any illusions around it is being dispelled, because the construction I'm getting has been happening in present day. But I'm getting that this individual was still like out and about because they never got caught for what they did and what they participated in. So yeah, I'm guessing that the point of this is to expose and to call judgment over this situation. And with that, I'm about to get out of this energy because this is getting dense. But let justice ring, let justice prevail, let it be served to all involved for the highest good of all. Ashe.